afternoon, Falcon. Alexis Masiga here from NORDIKPINAY. For today's Filipino Food Fridays, I'm going to take you to Bicol. In this region, they are known for the use of coconut milk and chilies. So we're going to make a dish that's very popular from that area, which is called Bicol Express and LAING. But LAING has a base of these ingredients, which is the Bicol Express. The base is garlic, ginger, onions, chili, pork, prawns, but this is optional, shrimp paste, and taro leaves. So, but for my laing, I'll be using instead, and also coconut milk. This is very basic in the Bicol Express. That's the basic ingredient. As for my laing or the stew, I'll be using kale and a mixture of spinach instead of the taro leaves, which is dried and come from Asia. You know, with today's situation, it's not going to be easy to find this. I'd rather use local produce that is available at the moment or in season. So that's what we're going to have. So come and join me as I prepare this dish. So I have here now a casserole or a wok that I had started heating up, and so I'm going to pour 2 tablespoons of the pork fat from the pork belly that we used earlier, and I'm going to be putting ginger. Exact measurements will be shown on the page or on this video. Ginger, garlic, onions. Saute this until it's translucent or until the onions are done. So the onions, garlic, and ginger are done. As you can see, it has browned very nicely. And next, I'm going to be using this Italian anchovies instead of the bagoong, since not a lot of people like shrimp paste or bagoong. I'm gonna use this so that my hubby can try this dish without him having to complain about the bagoong. So we put that in. I'm not gonna put the pork or shrimp yet, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the coconut milk first. That's 2 cans of coconut milk. It slept, so we have to help it to go out. Just stir this. I am not gonna put the chili as well at the moment. Some will put in the chilies right now. But since these chilies that I got right now, I bought this from the International Food Market. This is not your regular chilies that you can buy in the supermarket, which is almost like tasteless and doesn't have that much spunk to it. But this one, this is spicy. Next, we're gonna put in the kale. You could also use cavolo nero. And the shrimps. Prawns, I mean, because it's bigger than a regular shrimp. There we go. Mixed it so everything would be incorporated or blended. And afterwards, let's put in a cover so to let it cook for a while, for a few minutes. So let's check our spinach and kale. Let's mix it up a bit. I think that's fine. It's not totally cooked yet, but we could start putting the chilies, all the chilies, and then the pork. And then let's mix. Wow, this is a deluxe laing. As for the Bicol Express, if you are not using a cooked pork, what you could do is just start doing the base, saute the ginger, garlic, and onions, and then the meat, and then add in your coconut milk and your chilies and your salt and pepper, and then that's it. You have your Bicol Express. And then afterwards, once everything is done and cooked with all the meat, then you can add in your taro leaves or your kale or your spinach or whatever greens that you want to use for your laing. Just so you guys know, to all my viewers, this is not a traditional laing in the sense that I'm using taro leaves or gabi leaves and bagoong. I'm using Italian anchovies because I want this to be friendly to everyone who can. I want people to be able to try this, especially those, as I said, who doesn't like shrimp paste. But you're more than welcome to use shrimp paste if you like for your friends, and use the taro leaves as well. But for me, I like using local products. So now I have some salt and pepper and some sugar here just to balance the taste. So before we add those in, we need to try out if it's enough flavor already with this one. Yeah, I think it's there, but a little bit more pepper. Ooh, that chili is not that strong. I could still handle it. You could add one more if you want. So here is 2 teaspoons of pepper, maybe a teaspoon of salt, and then some sugar, a teaspoon of sugar, just to balance the taste, and then mix. As you can see now, look, this is so nice. Look at that. Pork is done. What deluxe. Another tips for you guys is you don't have to use pork belly. You could use ground pork or ground chicken or whichever meat you want. And for vegetarians or pescatarians, you could just use the prawns or shrimps. You could even use fish or just have plain vegetables and just have the fish on the side, grilled or fried. So now our dish is done. Here we are, as you can see, our finished product, kale spinach laing. It's gonna be so nice just to serve this with steamed rice as a rice topping, and that's what we're gonna be doing. Here we have some rice. Let's get some of this, ladle it on top of the rice. Let's get some of the shrimps, some sauce. Find another shrimp. There we go. And some coconut milk. And since I love garlic, I have some roasted garlic here. Let's sprinkle some garlic on top. And voila, you have your kale laing, which is easily accessible in the supermarkets. You can buy the laing from your favorite shop, and you can either have this as a vegetarian, as a pescatarian, or if you are a meat lover, a carnivore like me, you can have it with meat as well. You can use pork, you could use chicken, you could even use beef, but that's not very normal for us Filipinos to use beef on Bicol Express or laing. So I hope you did enjoy this video, or if you liked it or what. Like and subscribe and comment below if you know anything from you. Like I don't know what to say now. I'm stuttering now. What I'm saying is, please do like, subscribe, and comment below if you have tried this dish or if you're planning to try this dish, so we will know if we have shared the right recipe for you guys. Let me know what other dishes you want to try. Bye for now. Until the next one.
Were you stuttering because you were hungry?
No, I'm not.